Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. DIY Kids is back, and today we're reviewing all of our favorite fidget toys. And I'm here with my bestie Emma.
Yes, my bestie Eva.
Your bestie,
no. And yes, I'm Emma, Eva's best friend forever. Oh,
Yep,
okay.
she's a really
But
good
before we
friend.
start, did you subscribe and liked? Then see that button over there or there, I don't know, somewhere in there. It's red. You have to make it gray. Click on it. Pew. Then turn the notification on so you can know when we post new stuff with fidgets, LOLs, Roblox, something like that. And thumbs up.
Thumbs up!
At 10 subscribes.
At 10 subscribers.
I'm going to be throwing this ball in Eva's face.
No, wait, what? I just
Okay,
threw a
fine.
mesh
Fine.
ball in.
We will do our socks reveal.
No, at 10 subscribers, we go live.
Yes, live, like we go live. And answering your
Q&A.
Your-
Question and answer.
Oh yes, I have no idea. So let's just get back. So let's just
I'm literally just playing with my friends.
bestie, not
Oh
friend.
my god! She just hit
Okay,
me
so
with-
let's just get back with the video. We're back.
Okay, so we're back. And the camera is so blurry. Oh my
It's not
god.
blurry.
Okay, this
my
video is
head
gonna
is
take
solid.
forever. So like if
Fine.
this video is gonna take forever, so like if you got
So,
2
let's
hours
just
and
get
nothing
started.
to do, you better.
Let's get started because I think most of the viewers just left. Okay, so
Okay, so
come on, please, guys, get back. Let's do rock paper scissors to see who goes first. Come on.
oh yeah,
Rock paper scissors shoot.
Okay, yeah.
I go first.
Yeah,
and,
you go first.
and I'm going to be showing you guys. It's little. And
think they
my
all do
favorite color, pink, Let's just get a little bit ASMR. Or on this side.
Why is the camera so blurry?
It's
Jeez.
not. You're just doing it much blurry. It's fine. They could see the stuff. I rate this 9.5 out of 10 because it's not like the biggest. If it was big as
Probably
this.
They probably see it as a humongous thing because you showed it in the camera.
Yeah, but
like,
they could see my hand, and I think my. Let me it's not a big. Okay, let me show you guys as a puppet.
it's like as big as this thing. No, JK.
This is see what I'm talking about. That's not like
No, actually,
This
a good
one.
comparison. A good comparison is my favorite mesh ball with this.
I have the green one.
Yeah, she has. Stop putting things in the camera's face. I have to knock my
The
bestie.
viewers.
You knocked the camera down. What is wrong with you? Okay, yeah, we got.
I just want more viewers. I almost just broke this. Okay. Eva's turn.
Okay, so it's my turn. So I'm just gonna be reviewing this really cool fidget cube. I love the colors, and here it has like a pad that spins.
Yes, a little bit. So I'm okay.
Would you mind?
Disclaimer. Okay. So this video is we're gonna hurry up and just reviewing 3 each because it's almost 5 minutes and we don't want to be longer than 11, right? Or 15.
No, actually, okay. So
So hurry up.
Okay, so I love this fidget cube. I'm gonna have some ASMR on each side.
Just in the back playing with squishy. Just painted.
Okay, yeah.
Something.
Okay, so I really like it. 10 out of 10.
Okay, my turn, and I'm gonna do a mini Wacky
It's already
Track.
4 minutes.
5 because it's almost 5. So I'm gonna do this is my color because Eva has a
I
different
have
color.
this. I have the original Wacky Track.
We got it from the same place.
We got it from the Walmart.
Actually, I got. No, we got it from Target, I think. Target or Walmart. I can't remember.
Yeah, the dollars.
I got I got the needle from there.
Hey guys,
got
did you know you could make your own DIY snappers out of a Wacky Track? So make sure to follow my Instagram to know how. My name is Ava Sticka. So
Yes.
I'll
and my
write it in
TikTok.
the
I don't have
comments.
Instagram, but I have TikTok, and it's 55473 Copacabana.
Okay,
I
so
like
I'll put the name in the description and
Down below, yes.
yeah.
So this Wacky Track is not really my favorite, but it's really nice, you know. And every time Eva is gonna show you guys how to make
Snappers.
out of the Wacky Track. I really like. It's not my favorite. Let me just do that. I think I'm gonna be rating it like a 6 out of 10. Or no, let me do a 7 out of 10. Yes. It's not really my favorite. Yeah, it's hard to do it with like one hand, so that's why it looks so. Yes.
Okay, so basically how you do DIY snappers is then you lift up all of these sides like this. You make a plus sign, and I can't really lift up this side because it's like kind of broken. Like I don't really that. But and then you basically just squish it like this, and it's supposed to be a
I
snapper.
realize that you're just sitting like with your on my.
Yes, and but a real snappers. I have a real snappers, and it's my favorite. It's a black snappers. I love it.
You
Let's
could
do some
rate that
ASMR.
right now. So. It's your turn. And you
Okay, yeah, I love it. I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10. I love the colors and the sound.
Yes. So we already rated like 2 things which. So I think I'm gonna rate one more thing, and Eva is gonna rate one more
I'm gonna
thing.
rate my mini global.
Okay, so I'm gonna rate this stress ball. I actually showed it, so I think I'm gonna rate I'm gonna show you guys my Tangle. I know you probably seen on the other videos stuff that Eva has, but you haven't seen my stuff, and this is my Tangle. You have seen my other
on a couple of days, I was with Eclipse, my other friend, but she ran with my bestie.
Yes. So at 20 subscribers, we're gonna tell you guys our story.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So make sure to subscribe, or else, dum dum dum.
I'll kill you because yes, I could. I'm not like other girls.
No, but she can kill someone by throwing needles in the head. Jeez.
I'm really
So I
professional.
wanna rate this.
It's my turn. I didn't rate. I'm gonna rate this one a 9.5 out of 10.
Okay.
This one's
So
7.
I wanna rate my mini Mochi.
I gave that to her. I have 2 more. Actually 3 more, but one is at home.
So this Mochi is so incredibly sticky. I call it a mini global. It's
Have a bunny.
it's why is the camera like that? Okay. It's a normal that is a mini global, and it's literally so sticky. I have to keep it in this little container.
Yes.
Wait, is the other sticky too?
Oh my gosh, that's just I think stickier. Can I try this? No, yours is definitely stickier.
Oh my god, these are like mini globals. Let's play with them.
But they are super cute, but I don't like the smell. They are smelling
they smell horrible. Absolutely horrible.
Yes. So wait until you see the gray one. The gray one it looks so bad, but it's the same one. I really like the bunny.
Oh my god. So it's like a cat. It's not sticky at all. It's actually kind of soft.
Yes.
Oh my god, you just knocked the camera down.
Again.
Yeah, and I really like it.
But I have here Mochis that are mine, and not here. I have somewhere else.
Let's review. Let's make a haul on our haul for Mochi. So I got this cute little seal one. I got this.
You just saw the one that are mini globals.
A yellow one, and I got. Oh my god, this is really cute.
Yeah, this
It's a
one is
mini
my
cat.
favorite. This one is my favorite.
I'm just gonna.
They are all my minis except for this
What
one.
is this? Oh.
This one is like a big one. Wait, where did the Mochi go?
Okay, here it is.
Thanks.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I already dropped. Okay, so I have like one of those that are sticky, but I got it at home. But I like more. This one
Oh my
is
god,
like
my mochis are falling.
this one is like the normal one that's like not big, but I got it. I have it for like 3 years, and it like his nose is. So
I
it's
really
almost,
wanna
it's
dump all
almost
of the
11,
mochis
It's almost
here.
11 like minutes. So we're gonna show you guys the mochis, and then we're gonna end the video. Everybody's gonna show you the mochis.
I'm gonna
glow in the dark mochis.
So these are really cute. These are really cute mini mochis. This is a duck one. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's my favorite, I think. Oh, the little tiger is really cute too. There's a narwhal. I have a narwhal too, but it's a global.
Yeah, like it's sticky.
It's oh my god, it just got really sticky. Oh my god, wait, I just got to put it back in the container. Otherwise,
How do I have 2 actually.
Oh, we do. Nice. Don't have to put in. Okay, so this is mine, and this is the unsticky one. See, it's like really not sticky at all.
I have 2 stickies. You could get one that's not.
Oh my god, I love it.
You could get this one if you want.
Have this one. It's so cute.
But that's my favorite.
Do you have any doubles?
Those are my. I had, but like one broke.
Oh my god, look at this. This is really good.
Yes, I have another one, but in different color. You could choose one if you want.
I like this one.
Okay, then I'm gonna keep this
Wait,
one.
no.
It's like BFF things because like I have a blue one and you have like a turquoise one.
Yeah. I like this one. I really like it. It's really cute.
Wait,
oh my god, this little bunny is so adorably cute. I love it. Oh, and this little bear, it's really cute too. It's a Mochi. An elephant. I'm just like
it's a koala.
saying, oh my god. I really like this one. I really like. There's another bunny. There was another one.
Yes, this one.
Look, so there are 2 bunnies. They're the same, just other colors. I really like them.
This
They're
one is
really
yours from now on.
Okay,
The one that you choose.
I'm gonna put it in a capsule. Oh wait, no, because
this
we already
one.
have one.
Wait,
Okay.
where's the cap thing? I'm gonna put the cat back in.
But where should I put this?
Huh?
'Cause I wanna.
Oh my gosh, it's already 13 minutes.
Wait, it is? No, it's 12. What are you
Now
talking
it's
about?
13.
Okay, so I just want to like share some of my mochi. So this is a glow in the dark frog mochi. And
Can
this
I
is a
put
glow in
like
the
my
dark-
emojis back?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks. See, I did a video without being cringy.
Well, that's really highly because you kind of were being really cringy. Most of the time, I really like this little.
That's mine.
Okay, yeah, and the squishy is
Yes. So I think we're gonna end the video.
yeah. So I'll
But
see
make
you
sure
next
to
time.
like.
Yes, make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise,
don't-
we're not
yes.
doing part 2.
Yes. And turn on those post notification because remember at 10 subscribers we're going live. Imagine being famous.
Well, we are gonna be with you guys, cause are the best.
Yes,
And
with my help because without me.
yes, without you, there would be an amazing board. Oh my god, my camera
What
just
the heck did you just said? Did you just said that the word with me will be? I'm gonna hit your head with the camera. Let me just.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Please
just
like this video for me.
like and
My
subscribe
bestie just beat.
for one.
Oh my gosh!
Go with
Oh my gosh!
this.
Oh my gosh! Flash warning. Okay.
Flash warning!
Oh my gosh! My.
Flash warning!
I'm gonna
Oh
get
my
no,
god.
please. I think
We're
I
going
think I
to
had
open.
a head shake. A head shake. Just head shake. What's it?
What's a head shake?
I have no idea.
Shake.
Headache.
Head shake.
I wanted to say, why do I have this?
So like, see you guys next time. Bye. I know this video is totally cringy, but like, do
It's
it
not
for
cringy.
It's so cringy.
Everyone
girl.
loves me.
Everyone does not love you. Only I. So like,
No,
bye. See you guys
everyone
next
loves
time.
me. Like we are going to get a lot of views on this.
Yeah, we're not. So like,
Yes.
bye.
Yes,
Just buy a
we
word.
are.